Imagine wrapping up your workday by 4 p.m. every day. No last minute emails, no forgotten tasks, no chasing approvals. With smooth workflow, you will be on your way home. That's not a dream, it's automation done right. Project managers juggle deadlines, documents, and decisions. But what if your routine tasks could run themselves? Power Automate is your assistant, quietly handling the repetitive stuff so that you can focus on what matters. Let's look at these 5 simple automation that can help you finish your job earlier and smarter. So the first one is how to create a planner task when your form is submitted and post a message or notification inside your Teams. Now this is my Power Automate. So when come inside, you will see something like this. Now, of course, you can come in here and using Copilot to help you create your automation. But for as a beginners, I would recommend you can start with the templates, right? So that you understand how it works. So just click here, go to the templates, and then let's find the one that I'm going to show you. When someone submit in a form, right? Now we use form to collect information easily. You can collect like your reports, even you can collect like an audit or a customer feedback. If you're using a form, so it's very simple. Just type a form because there are like hundreds of all these templates. So when a form, then you want it to submit it, and then automatically it will help you to create a task inside a planner. So what you can do is very simple, type form and planner because you can connect the form to your planner and maybe later to the Teams, right? So all you need is these two, okay? Form, planner. Right now you can see here, I can create a task in planner from Microsoft Form and post message in Teams. All very simple is that I create a planner task when a Microsoft Form is submitted. You can use either of these, right? Here you will have extra to post a message in a Teams. So all you need is that it's very simple. Click here. Yeah. So it will connect from your forms to your planner and to your Teams. So this below here will shows you the so-called apps that you need to be connected to. All right. So once you come here, you can continue, and then it will ask you just follow the so-called step-by-steps, and then you can do that, right? So meaning that you need to have the form, right? You need to create the form ready, and then you need to select the form and so on. It's very simple. Just follow step by steps, okay, and fill this in. All right. So this is how you can control, right? Do not need that people submit a form and then you got to like export to Excel and then key in and so on, right? So all you need is that someone submit a form, you create a task, yeah? You can assign to yourself or to anyone inside your teams, and then send a message to your team chat or team channel. The second one I'm going to show you is you will get notified, especially when you work on a project, that you have a share OneDrive, right? So if you have a file being modified, you want to get so-called notified so that you know that the file has been modified by someone. Yeah. So right now, same thing. All you need here is that you need to key in like OneDrive because the file is OneDrive, and then how it is going to notify you. Yeah. Let's say you want to have a chat message, which is Teams. Okay. Let's see, right? So here, right, get notified in Teams when any file is modified in a OneDrive folder. Okay. Or you have get notified of a new OneDrive file. Yeah. And then you can see, right? Or get notified privately when a file is modified. Let's take this one. Okay. And you can see that here you will have like OneDrive. Yeah. And then if someone modify in the office documents, you will send a message. Yeah. Over here is that you're going to send a message to you privately, right? Which is in a chat. Yeah. So this is another one that will be useful. All right. Let's take another one. Okay. And approval when a response is submitted in a form. Okay. So you can have, let's say, form and then approval, right? So here, start an approval process and send an email on Microsoft Form submission, right? Okay. And send form response for approval. Yeah. So there are many, depends on what do you want, right? Start an approval process and send email on Microsoft Form. Okay, right? So basically these two is the same. Let's take a look. So you got a form and then you have your standard approvals, procedures. Then it will send you an email, right? Outlook to inform that there is someone, right, applying for maybe a leave, applying for a use of certain of your equipments and so on. Yeah. So you can use this to help you, right? So that you don't need to have manual request form anymore. Other than that, this is very useful. A lot of people, you have like emails, you want the emails, sending your emails to a chat of channel, right? Channel means that you send it to all your teams, okay? So you want to send this, let's say you receive an email, you want to notify your team members, you can forward that directly, using this automation, okay? So meaning that email or Outlook to Teams, right? So you can over here post message to Teams when an email arrives. Yeah. So you can even automate it when an email arrive from certain people or it's importance, it will automatically send it. So you can see forward emails in a folder to a channels. And there are many, right? That you can do that. Forward your emails to a channel. So you can do that, right? Just follow the step-by-step how to do that. And at the same time, you can do it vice versa. Vice versa means that you can send a chat to your email as well. Yeah. So it's the same thing. All you need is just find it right over here in the template and then follow it step by steps. Now, once you've done that, you will see a flow, right? Okay. And lastly, let me show you another one. Add a planner task, right, to your Excel on a certain timing basis, right, on a weekly basis. Let's say here I want to have a planner and Excel. So I can add a planner task to Excel on a weekly basis. So you can have a recurrence means that on a certain time frame, you can set that and then it will send to your Excel, right? So let me just open out some of my flow, sample flow. Yeah. And then you can see here, I can copy flag e- emails to OneNote, right? Let's say I want to collect the emails to OneNote, okay, important emails so that I can refer inside my OneNote. Let me show you the flow. It will takes you like this, very simple. Okay, you will have a flow like this, and then inside here, you just need to do all the settings and create a page here, and just click here and then follow all the settings. Now, these automation are just the beginning. Try one today and feel the difference tomorrow. Okay, hit to the Power Automate, search these templates, and then find the one that is suitable for you. Right, especially the things that you do it regularly. Yeah, find that, especially just follow the step-by-step guide I just showed you. Okay, which apps are you using, and then you can find that template. Okay, try it. Okay, and let me know how it helps in helping you improving your work productivity. By the way, I'm Andrew. If you like this type of video, do subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that every week when we publish new content, you'll be notified. I see you real soon in my next video.